Hello guys, or Savadi Krap. Today have a good day, and today me and we now go to big shop. It's shop very popular in Thailand and Phuket where I live. He have name a Macro. We go to this Macro because and today have party at work and she must go buy gift because people if have party at work he exchange gift and give gift each other. It's just cultural, and we now go this shop and you can see, you go with me and look what we buy because we don't know already what we want buy for gift. And what, let's go.
Mania. Where?
I think good if you buy this. Oh my.
I I don't know. I just if he not together, then buy this one. Bye. 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 Ni.
Yeah. And but this very popular in Thailand because he save cool water because Thailand very hot and people if put water inside he long time cold. And I think maybe good idea for gift too.
ไปเลยแม่วิ่งเข้าแม่วิ่งเข้า
This what for cook,
โฟกุส
right?
ไรซู
Soup. Same.
เต็ม but I want buy one. What do you think?
I think good idea too, but I don't know. People have or don't have.
No,
No?
People cannot show because we buy.
I think good and прокати because I see normal price. Чай? Прокати.
What,
Around 1000 baht.
what do you think? Oh,
Oh, I same. I have my room. I cook.
ใช่
Yeah, we choose already. What you want buy more? More gift?
I don't know. เจ็ดร้อยห้าสิบ
Ah, you just change for another. You buy two gift.
Yes I buy here together
Okay.
and you think ปกติไหม
Chai?
โอเค
Yes, I think property normal. Okay, we finish and we go to take paper for gift. This gift same looking. We want what looking gift beautiful.
you want anything โอเคไป
We arrived another shop. This shop popular too. Have name Super Chef, and we go to buy special paper for gift. Okay, finish.
โอเค
And okay, guys, we back room and make gift for this paper for gift paper
but I buy this for you
for drink. And today very hot, guys, very hot.
how
And this natural
Lemon tea.
juice. Ah, not juice, it's lemon tea. Lemon tea. Okay. Cold but sweet. I don't like sweet, but he fresh.
ปกติ
No.
Oh.
Finish.
and we take
Okay. เพื่อไปบ้าน
ใช่ใช่
back room.
ไปบ้านไป
Bye.
Bye, bye.
Okay, we back room and I turn off air condition. Oh, today very hot. Okay, we finish. Make for beautiful gift, and what you think, guys? Okay, and what do you think? How we make
beautiful
beautiful? Прокати, normal.
ใช่ and he broken already
Okay.
โอเคไหมบายบายนะ
Okay. Bye bye.
see you tomorrow
Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye bye. I wish you have good time for party today.
โอเค
Okay, and go to work, and after work he have party today with staff. And okay, thank you guys for watching my video. Please subscribe my younger canal. It's very hard for up my channel. And see you next time. Good luck. Bye bye.